Okay, folks, fellow YouTubers and friends, we've made a few little changes here. I've got two clips of us testing the explosive power of the gasoline with the humidifiers, and it wasn't explosive at all. It didn't catch on fire. And anyway, I'm going to have put those clips on, or either before or after this one, so you know what's going on. But anyway, because of the possibility of problems, we've decided to not use the humidifiers, and we're going with a type of deal that there's a guy on YouTube. His YouTube handle is the Vapor Kid. The Vapor Kid. Anyway, the man come up with a really great idea. You know, when you use a bubbler, you are evaporating the gasoline, and you have an evaporative cooling system. So your gasoline actually gets cold. So cold it won't make fumes. So anyway, this guy found a heater. Well, we tried using heaters in ours too. We tried pelleter devices and running 12 volts through them. We tried, what was the other one that we tried? Heater? Oh, just an actual 12 volt heating element. It was very small. Got really hot, but it took too long to cool the gas. I mean, to warm the gas or keep it warm. In an evaporative cooler or evaporative fumigator for gasoline, once the gasoline gets down to 93 degrees, it doesn't make very good fumes. Now, the thing is, it cools at the rate of 2 degrees per minute. That's a lot of heat. Okay. You got to put a lot of heat in this thing. Well, this the Vapor Kid, he's using these. They're, I don't even know what you call it. It's a heating element that you just hang it over in a cup of water or a glass of water or drink, tea, coffee, whatever, and you plug it in, and they make them 12 volt and they make them 110 volt. The 110 volt ones are put out 300 watts. The 12 volt ones put out 120 watts, so that's roughly 10 amps. So, and I don't know for sure, I haven't tested them yet. We've already ordered some of them. I ordered 4 of each, the 110s and 4 of the 12 volts. But anyway, we get as soon as they come in, we're going to test them out, see how fast they'll heat the gas up and so forth. So, what I want to do is show you here the system that we've got. We got a piece of pipe here about roughly 16 inches long, 4 inches in diameter. We've drilled a small hole close to the bottom. Oh, there it is. This goes in here like so. Okay. This is nothing more than a piece of 3/4 inch PVC pipe with a 90-degree elbow on it. Now, what we do is we put that in there, and we have our intake. It's filtered. The Vapor Kid brought up the idea, which I didn't even think about, but you're dealing with PVC pipe here, plastic, and any dust or anything that goes through there is going to rub on the sides and create static electricity, which I don't know how you would get a discharge, but if you did, it could possibly set your gasoline all, on fire inside. So we put an air filter on it, just like he did his. Okay, this air filter came off of the air intake filter of the Honda 6.5 horsepower motor that we were messing with. So it worked out real good. We put that in right in there, like so. This is the outlet. This pipe here will go to the intake on the motor. And let me see. What's this where? Oh, yeah. This is the female end of your pre-formed joint for plastic pipe. We just whacked it off a little bit, so it'll go right in this hole right here. Okay, the air filter will go in it. Therefore, we can remove it to clean it or replace it as it gets dirty. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, this right here. We haven't got our 12 volt and 110 volt heater coils in yet, so we don't know how long to cut this. But what we're going to do, we're going to have this like so, with it goes like that. 4-inch pipe down on top of it, 6-7 inches high, and then we're going to take a drink bottle, put a valve on the lid to where you can turn it upside down. The gasoline will not come out, but yet when you set it down in here, it'll push a plunger and allow the gas to come out. The gas will come down in here, and come over here and fill up, so it's the same level as the bottom of the bottle, or the top of the bottle, which is turned upside down. All right. Therefore, it'll be self-feeding its gasoline all the time, Okay. I guess for now, that's just about as far as we can go. And as we build this thing, make more clips and put them on YouTube so people can see exactly. I want to go into as much detail as possible, so exactly how to rebuild this thing. Now, if you do decide to do this, then you want to basically do it on your own. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just telling you this is how I'm doing it. Now, what we do is take a drink bottle, and they make some of these drink bottles a little taller so you can hold more gas. But actually, you'll be able to go a long way on that much gasoline. But what we do is we take the lid, drill a pretty good sized hole in it. We take a big head nail or bolt, all right, put a rubber washer around it that'll fit right in here, and let it extend down till once we get the right height, it'll extend down. But when you put this bottle in there, right, like so, the stem will be sticking out, and when it goes in and comes all the way down, just before it hits the bottom, it'll push that deal up and let the gas flow. The gas will flow in here. When the level gets in here is the same height as this, it'll stop. And as the gas is used, when it gets below that, it'll drop down and fill more. Okay? I'm pretty sure everybody out there understands this system. Now, one thing I want to suggest, don't use a paddle bit to drill your holes, because once you break through the top, you have no control over it. Simplest way is to use a hole saw. Just like that, hole saw. Okay? And it does a whole lot better job, and you don't get any wobble and all that good crap. So, alright, I guess that's it for this video. Okay? Thank you. By the way, I'm going to show you, I'm going to tie in the 2 clips that I made on the actually setting on fire the gasoline in the atomizer, the humidifier, and see what y'all think about that. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, folks, we're going to try something, and it's going to be a little bit dangerous, but we're taking a lot of precautions. Larry's standing over there with the fire extinguisher, and he also has his hand on the plug for this. This is a sonic humidifier, and what it does is it takes water and turns it into a gas and goes into the air to produce humidity. What we've done is we tried to put gasoline in it to make fumes to run a motor, a gasoline motor. Anyway, we just want to see how flammable this stuff really is. So I'm going to light this. I'm going to hold it over here for it to make fumes and see what happens. And like I said, Larry's standing by with a fire extinguisher, and he's got his hand on the plug. Now what we've done here, we're anticipating the worst scenario. And the worst scenario is you're going to go whoop! And big flame shut out, and everybody gets scared and jumps and knocks it over, and all of a sudden we got water and gas on the floor and it's on fire and burning the place down. We don't want to do that. So we're anticipating a disaster. So we're going to be prepared and not get nervous and start jumping all around. Now, I've got my glasses on, which they're safety glasses, and I also have a face shield. Now, when I pull the face shield down, it's going to muffle my voice, so I'm going to talk. And when I pull it down, I'm not going to say anything. We're just going to go through the process. I'm going to pull the face shield down, light this paper, hold it over here, and turn it on at the same time. Alright, here we go. Pull the face shield out. what I thought was happening. Just that way.
Now it's down inside.
That's down inside. Okay, put it out. Not the fire extinguisher, no. Give me something to cover it with. Just cover it. There you go. All it is a flame. Just cover it and it'll go right out. Piece of cake. Just what I thought. It's exactly what I thought. Thing is, it will burn inside. That presents a little bit of a problem, but nothing we can't handle. That's really great. I'm wondering why it was burning inside, Larry. How was he getting air?
Stuck down in it.
Okay.
Backflow.
Yeah. Okay. Good video. We did good. We did real good.
Nobody got hurt.
Nobody got hurt. It did exactly what I thought it would do, but we were prepared for it not to. Okay, folks. Last clip. We did a little experiment. Tried to light it, see how it was going to work. Caught on fire. What was burning down inside. We've talked about it a little bit, thought about it, and we're going to try that again. Now, in the first time I did it, I lit the paper on fire and held it over and then turned the machine on. This time, again, we're trying to take safety precautions. Larry's standing by with a fire extinguisher, and he's going to have his hand on the plug for this machine. Okay? This time, I'm going to turn it wide open, let it come up, and then pull the flame to it. Now, it could be different, but we're anticipating a big flash and then a steady burn out the top. I've got to watch down here to make sure it's not burning inside. We're not doing this for jokes and kicks. We're doing this to see what's going to happen if we run an engine off of these fumes and we get a flashback or a backfire. Is it going to blow up and destroy the vehicle? Well, you know, we want to find out. Okay, here we go. You ready, Larry?
Check.
Light the paper. Get it burning.
Put your mask down.
Put the mask down. Turn the machine wide open. It did exactly as I thought.
But it went out.
It put out. Woo! It did too, didn't it? It did. It put the flame out on the paper. And it put itself out. Fantastic. Fantastic. So we're not going to make a bomb. Beautiful. Now it's time to pick this thing up and hook it up to the motor and see if we can get the motor to run off of it. All right.